Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first blog. I will speak only in English and I will explain all the things in English, not in Hindi, okay? Means first and foremost, I will introduce myself. My name is Sujan Topo from Jharkhand. Simple village, not too much good, but we are very happy in village and we are doing together all the works and many things. See here we harvested the paddies and songs. We finished all the things. Now I am taking care of the buffaloes and song. You can see there's buffaloes. I think. Could you see? On I couldn't able to see them. First look, okay. So forgive me whatever I will say wrong. Forgive me, pardon me, and first time I am speaking in front of the camera. Okay. So for me little difficult to in front the camera. Okay, and as well as whatever you want to learn, you have to work with your confidence. If you do not work, my bro and my friends, and whoever, yeah, you are my elder or you are not my elder. If you are my friend, whoever you are, but you have to work with your confidence. Okay. If you don't have confidence, you will not learn anything. And foremost, you have to know why I am doing this work and why you want to learn English. This is your more important for in your life. And as well as if you want to learn English, if you don't know how to read simple words and simple words or sentences, you have to practice. Without practice, you can't speak. This is my suggestion. I practiced many times. I took 4 and 3 months to learn English. Now I am speaking in front of you. So I think my English is not so much bad and so much good, but I can manage anywhere. For me, no problem, bro. I can speak anywhere with foreigner out of the India, and as well as I can speak with anybody, Ronaldo, Messi, whoever is there. I have confidence that much, but sometimes I get hesitation. Means sometimes I cannot say because I am not practicing in English. This day I am not using my words. Many things I learned and I forgot it. But whatever in my mind I am sharing with you. If you like my video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. If my video is not good, please dislike. If you like, please subscribe and share with your friends. My channel only gives for others to learn. Okay, I think I couldn't able to hand or catch my mobile. I am getting tired to hold the phones. So not phone, only phone. Okay, not phones, only phone, because there is only one phone. Okay, no two phone. So as well as what I will show you. This is, if you don't know what is the, in Hindi this is no. If you don't know this in Hindi मिट्टी, अगर आप मिट्टी को हिंदी में नहीं जानते हैं तो आप इंग्लिश में कैसे जानेंगे मेरे दोस्त, बताओ. तो इसको मड कहा जाता है. ओके, दिस इज मड इन इंग्लिश. ओके, सो if you want to learn English, you have to practice. If you don't know anything in English, how to read, how to write, how to speak, please follow me. Definitely I will teach you. Already I started to upload video of verbs. To speak and to understand, you have to know. You have to know verbs. Means what I am telling. Listen first. You must know verbs. Otherwise you couldn't able to understand what people are telling. So pardon me. This much only, bro. Next video I will upload. If you comment me, definitely I will upload. I am very happy. As well as you can see. What is this? This is plant. What plant in English I don't know. This is leaves. This is very dangerous leaves. How I will say this is camera is not good, no. See, this is very dangerous. Even though nothing means nobody is using no animals is using these leaves. This is very dangerous. Okay, as well as what I will show you, brothers. This is mango trees. You have seen. If you are in city, you didn't see mango tree also. I know. I live in Kerala, so in Kerala there is small trees, but here in village you can see many trees and many kind of people. In city also you can see many kind of people, but in village all are very happy. Some are very too much depression, but what to do? Our life is like this only. So don't depress yourself. You be confident in your life. Bye bye. Take care all of you. Wind up my vlog video.